what do you think about a customer portal which was launched today? What are your first impressions and how do you see it benefiting you?
It is very much beneficial for us because every time we have to ask for test reports and what is the status of material, when we will get the material.
Right.
By this app, we can avoid these things to ask every time. We can check it in an app, confirm to my customer
Absolutely.
when we can deliver the material.
Right.
Because it is a specific coating we are getting from Aum Dacro.
Would you recommend Aum Dacro to others in your industry? And if yes, what would you highlight the most?
I have already highlighted to Sanjay ji, MD, to Aum Dacro, that we must focus on two-wheeler industries, which is most quantity-wise production of volume is more.
Absolutely.
Then cost will come down.
Right.
So we have not touched yet two-wheeler industry. That we can do it for two-wheeler industry like zinc nickel and zinc coating. It can replace with the zinc flake. SST life will be more than the zinc nickel.
Thank you, Mr. Rai. Thank you for your info.
Thank you.
Jai Hind.
Thank you.